Experiencing a key fob not detected error in your 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee? This often means your vehicle isn't recognizing your key fob for keyless entry and ignition. Start with the simplest fix, the key fob battery. Open the fob using a small screwdriver and replace the CR2032 battery inside. These typically last 3 to 5 years, but can drain faster. Cost is around $5 to $10. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the issue might be with the radio frequency hub, RFHUB. The RFHUB module verifies the fob's authenticity. A common fix is to reset the RFHUB. To reset the RFHUB in a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, begin by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This clears the module's memory. After the wait period, reconnect the battery and cycle the ignition 3 to 4 times to complete the basic reset. If the basic reset doesn't work, a deeper reset may be needed using an OBD2 scanner to reprogram the RFHUB. Note that this process involves some risks and should be done carefully. As of 2024, FCA issued recalls under NHTSA campaign number 24V123 for certain 2014-2015 Jeep Grand Cherokees. If your vehicle is under recall, contact a dealer for free RFHUB replacement.